Hi everyone, Warflox Studios here on another banger video. Today we're going to teach you how to actually learn to draw faster using Satcher. To be honest, I don't like talking much, so let's just go straight to it. To start off, you need to have a goal in mind. Without a clear goal, it's hard to improve no matter how many hours you practice a day, a week, a year. Knowing why you want to draw is crucial, whether it's for fun or creating manga, making your own characters, showcasing your art on social media. Having a goal gives your brain something to work toward. So if you have something to work towards, it's going to be really easy for you to keep motivated and keep going forward. So that's why I recommend you to write your goals in a piece of paper if that's easier for you, and having them every day and read it every single day is going to make it easier for you to keep pushing forward on that goal that you want to achieve. So guys, tip number 1, practice consistently. You're not going to see any results unless you draw every single day or majority of it, even if it's just for a few minutes. And please do not set extremely high standards like I'm gonna be drawing every single day 3 hours non-stop, and do not rush things, okay? Tip number 2, focus on fundamentals. And trust me on this one, people, focusing on your fundamentals is gonna be such a game changer that you're gonna be impressed with your art. Start with some basic shapes and forms and break them down into simple shapes. This makes complex things easier and faster to create, especially more complex shapes like the human body itself, or cars, or buildings, or anything that you want to draw that is complex. You need to learn the fundamentals first. You need to learn how to actually break down things, like I said before, and understanding the 3D shape that goes around it, just like this. So keep hitting on all those weaknesses that you have. I don't know if it's shapes, perspective, form, and language. So if you want to learn the actual fundamentals, stick around because I'm going to be uploading a video really soon talking about it. And last but not least, seek feedback immediately, even after you draw. Let's say you draw with the Pomodoro timer, 25 minutes in, 5 minutes out, and at the end of your drawing session, you're gonna go to an online community and you're gonna start like posting your art in there, engaging with people, talking like how can I improve my art and stuff like that. Share your work with others to get feedback, okay? For example, in school, if you see some classmates or the art teacher, you can ask them and say, hey teacher, can you help me on this? You think you can show me some insights into how can I get better with this anatomy or whatever it is that you're studying? Please help me. It's gonna help you a lot in the future, so trust me. So in conclusion, to recap, please practice consistently. Drawing daily to reinforce your skills is going to help you a lot. There's an actual study that shows how our brain discards information over time, and if you're not drawing consistently, you're not going to see results consistently. So practice consistently, and one day you're going to see all that hard work go into play. Number 2, focus on fundamentals. Master basic shapes and forms before moving on to more complex subjects like anatomy, and seek feedback immediately. Get some constructive criticism to improve faster, and don't listen to those people that you will never achieve anything. Remember that art is a journey, okay? And while it can be challenging, it's incredibly rewarding. One day you'll look back at all your old work and you're gonna see, damn man, you're gonna be really proud of yourself. So keep pushing forward, okay? If you found these tips helpful, if they help you in any sort of way, please hit that like and subscribe button to beat that evil YouTube algorithm. Move away, stop. And hit the bell icon for more videos like this in the future. Let me know in the comment section what other content will you like to see. And thank you for staying till the end. I really appreciate it. And remember to keep pushing forward just like a star. God bless you.